waxaan maanta marti u nahay jaamacadda Istanbul Medipol University oo runtii kamid ah mid kamid ah jaamacadaha ugu fiican dalka marka si aan u helno xog dheeraad ah waxaan maanta marti aan u nahay gudoomiye Calaadiin oo ka tirsan xafiiska International Office-ka jaamacadda Medipol waxaan weydiin doonaa su'aalo ku saabsan jaamacadda si aan u helno xog fara badan Mr. Calaadiin, thank you very much for giving us this opportunity to make interview with you today in your great university, and we are so happy what we have seen up to now, but we want to get some information from you about the university. So first of all, thanks for helping us to come here.
First of all, I want to say hi for all our prospective students in all the world. You are always welcome to visit us in our campus, in our university. You are one of our best company and we are partner in this sector.
Thank you very
So
much.
today we will talk about all the information related to our university. I will try to answer all the questions related to our student, and inshallah we can provide them good information about Istanbul Medipol University.
Thank you very much. Could you give us a brief information about what is Istanbul Medipol University?
So Istanbul Medipol University is one of the youngest and modern university in Turkey. It's founded on 2009. So in this 10 years or 12 years, we try to be one of the best university in Turkey. Now we are in the top ranking of the university. We have too many students from all the world. We have around 83 countries in this university, and we are one of the most university demanded from the international students.
So what kind of opportunities that Medipol University offer to international students?
In our university, we care so much about our international students. That's why we provide them a special department who care and support our international students with all the language. We can help them in Arabic, French, English, the other language, German and Spanish. We speak Turkish too. So we are caring so much to let them be and feel that they are in their country. So we can give them all their needs to be comfortable in our campus.
There are some other questions that mostly we are getting from students from Arab countries. You know, is this university recognized in Iraq? Is this university recognized in here and here? So I want to ask you something about recognition. So could you tell us some accreditation about Arab countries and also internationally about for Medipol University?
In Medipol Istanbul University, we know that the first thing that we need to fix it is the accreditation problems. So that's why in these 12 years we try to make our accreditation clear and real with all the Arabic countries. So that's why we finished our accreditation in Iraq, in Jordan. We are accredited even in North Africa for Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia. We have accreditation with Qatar, with Arab Saudi, Emirates. So we are trying to do more for the other countries too.
As we know, Medipol started as a medical university and still it's one of the best medical field in this country. So could you give us a brief information about what type of programs you offer to international students for the medical?
Okay, so this university have more than 12 faculties. It's sure because we have more than 10 hospitals related to this university. So we are more strong in medical sector, so that's why we provide International School of Medicine for our students in English. We have pharmacy faculty in English too, dentistry in English. We have the programs of health like nursing, physiotherapy. We have health management. So this program are in English and it's available for our international students.
Thank you very much. meeshan waxaan rabaa inaan hal mar aan ku hadlo Soomaali si daawadayaasheena Soomaaliyeed ee na daawanaya ay si sax noogu fahmaan. Runtii horena waan u sheegnay jaamacadda Medipol waxay ka tirsan tahay jaamacadaha ugu fiican dalka Turkiga qaybta caafimaadka iyo sidoo kale qaybta engineering-ka. Waayo jaamacaddan waxay shaqada ku bilowday kulliyadaha caafimaadka maantana waxay leedahay in ka badan 10 isbitaal sida hadda gudoomiyaha Calaadiin uu sheegay kulliyadaha dhammaantoodna waxay ku wada hayaan English medicine haday ahaan dentistry pharmacy healthcare management physiotherapy nursing yani dhammaan kulliyadaha inta badan looga baahan yahay kulliyadaha caafimaadka Medipol waxay ku haysaa 100% English taas oo runtii siinayso ardada fursad sax ah oo ay ka heli karaan jaamacadda haday ahaan leedahay xagga practicada oo isbitaalada jaamacadda ay practice ku sameey karaan iyo haday ahaan leedahay macallimiinta oo marna dhakhtar ah marna macallin jaamacadda jooga ah oo inta badan ardadooda ay u yihiin assistant marka taasna runtii waxyaabaha ka dhigay jaamacaddan inay noqoto jaamacad saan caan u ah oo saan tayo leh saan u tayo sareyso ayay ka mid tahay inay noqoto jaamacad caafimaad. Hadda thank you for your answer, Mr. Aladdin. My other question is, as you know, tuition fee are very important for most of the international students. You know, the first question coming, after the university is, what is the tuition fee for that university, or what kind of discount they offer, or what kind of scholarship they offer. So could you give us a brief information about what type of tuition fee you make to international students, or what discounts you offer, or something like this?
Okay, so in our university we have too many different price for our department, and we provide our international student some type of scholarship. First of all, we give 20% direct for our international student who choose any of our program. Especially we have a list of special countries, so Somalia for example is one of them. We give only for our student in Somalia 15% more, so it's around 35% just for the student who applied from Somalia directly through your agencies. So we have another type of scholarship, is scholarship related to the success student or related to the education. So for example, for the student who have SAT score, we can give him around from 5% to 15% discount. We have another type of scholarship provided by the university for the student who choose Turkish program. We give them direct 15%, and we offer them 1 year of Turkish language for free.
Thank you very much. سؤاشان waxaan rabaa inaan Soomaaliya dhex geliyo oo aan si sax ah ugu sheegno waxa Aladdin uu sheegay aan qaab kale u turjumo. Jaamacaddan Medipol runtii ardayda waxay u samaysaa qiimo dhimis jaamacad Turkiga ku taala aysan samaynin. Haddii aad daawateen in kale ma ogi, waxaan hore u samaynay video ah jaamacadda ka yaabsatay ardayda ajaanibta. Halkaasna waxaan uga hadalnay sababta ay u tahay jaamacadda ka yaabsatay ardayda ajaanibta. Marka jaamacadda Medipol waxay jaamacadaha kale uga fiican tahay haddii aan tiriyo qaybta marka la fiirsho qiimo dhimista iyo scholarship-yada marka la fiirsho. Ardayga waxay toos ugu samaynayaan 20% markuu arday ajaanib yahay. Markuu arday Soomaali yahay 15% dheeraad ay siinayaan, taas oo keenayso inay noqoto 35%. SAT markuu wato 5% ilaa 15% qiimo dheeraad ay siinayaan. Sidoo kale waxaa intaas ka sii daran ardayga fasalkiisa kaalinta koobaad ka galo, sanadkaas oo kaalinta koobaad galay lacag la'aan oo jaamacadda ku dhiganaa. Ardayga sanadkaas kaalinta labaad galay wuxuu jaamacadda ku dhiganaa 50% lacag la'aan. Sidoo kale ardayga kaalinta saddexaad galay wuxuu ku dhiganaa jaamacadda 25% qiimo dhimis. Waxaa ka sii daran intaas oo dhan waan sheegnay inay jaamacaddu abaal mariso qofkii kaalinta koobaad galo. Sidoo kale qofkii dhacay oo fasalkiisa ku dhacay, hadduu rabo medicine ha dhigto, hadduu rabo dentistry ha dhigto, ama hadduu rabo kulliyad kale ha dhigto, fasalkiisa ku dhacay markaas uu fasalka dib u soo qaadanayo wax lacag ma bixinayo. 20 kun haddii aad medicine ku bixisay ee ku dhacday ee tahay inaad ku soo celiso adigoon lacag bixin ayaa dib ugu soo celi kartaa. Taasna waxay ka mid tahay fursadaha ay ardayda u hayso jaamacadda Medipol University. Mr. Aladdin, thank you very much for giving us this information about the discounts and everything. Let's talk about a question or something that we heard from somewhere else, and even now I explain in Somali language to our Somali audience, our Somali students. So I want to hear you from your voice as well. We heard something like this: if a student fail in a class, the next year he will retake that class. He will not pay any money. Is that right?
Yes, sure. In Medipol Istanbul University, we care too much about the result of our students. So that's why we don't have problem about the payment. So that's why we say to our student, if you will success and go from here to the next one, you need to have a minimum of average and minimum of grades. So that's why if you failed, you will repeat the year for free.
For free. Thank you very much. As I know, no one do this in Turkey, yeah?
Yes,
right?
We are the only university who offer this for our international students.
Thank you very much. My other question will be like, do you have dormitories like for boys and girls or something like this?
Yes, sure. In our campus, we have two types of dorm. One of them for girls in the middle of the campus. The second one is for boys and is in our North Campus in the middle of the campus too.
Thank you very much. What about some students, they want to go to exchange program, or maybe they are coming exchange program Erasmus. So do you offer this kind of things?
Yes, our university is part of the Erasmus program, and we care too much about this program to let our students have another experience in another countries, in another university, and we did the same for the other student from the other country who chose our university to pass 3 or 6 months here. We have another program of exchange. It's our own program, like university. We did some contract and partnership with the other university in all the world, so we can transfer our students and send them to pass some of their course there.
Thank you very much. My last questions will be something like this. Some students who are studying another university right now, they are asking us, can I make my transfer to Medipol University? So is this possible?
It's possible, but it's so hard here in Istanbul Medipol University because our credit and our number of hours of courses, the X of courses is so higher. So that's why we can accept student, only the success student from the other university, and we have some requirement that students need to give it to us.
Thank you very much. You give us all the information we needed up to now. So what would you like to say our candidates who are coming to Istanbul Medipol University?
I want to say to our prospective student, welcome to our university. You can apply to our university through our premier partner. So don't wait until this admission period will finish soon. So you will have all the support in this university, and welcome to Istanbul Medipol University.
Thank you very much, Master Alaaddin. Inta aanan gabagabin ka hor waxaan rabaa inaan u sheego ardaydeena meel kasta ay joogaan in kuliyadaha jaamacadda Medipol ay dhammaan rabaan. Sidaas awgeed ardayga u baahan in loo xareeyo jaamacaddan Medipol inuu si degdeg ah ula soo xiriiro si aan ugu xareyno kuliyadda uu rabo. Waayo siiba kuliyadaha caafimaadka waxba kama aysan harin way dhammaan rabaan iyo kuliyadaha engineeringka. Marka waxaan rajeynaa in aad xafiisadeena soo booqan doontaan si aan idinkugu xareyno ama xog badan aan kaga siino jaamacadda Medipol. Waana mahadsantihiin inaad daawataan video waxaa idinku sugaynaa jaamacadda kale waa mahadsantiin.